Good afternoon and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for your attendance here and also your cooperation to stand here. And me as the chairperson of the ethnic, I really appreciate your attendance here. So, like in usual years, we're gonna conducting the conference, and I think this is some kind of the general pictures for the posters of our conference. So, as we can see that, as we can know that we are APNIC, Asia Pacific Network Internet Centers, always conducting conference every weeks. Every years, and we're gonna conduct it in some kinds of region in Asia Pacific, either is in Asia, Australia, or others. So, last year we held the 18th ethnic conference, and for this year we're gonna conducting the 38th conference of ethnic, which is the name of the event is Ethnic 38 Conference, with the motto "Different is Beautiful." Is there anyone that disagree about the motto and also the name? Guys?
No.
Okay. And for the place, for the conducting the IPNS conference, I choose to conducting it in Brisbane, Australia. So we're not gonna conducting it in Asia, like from last few years, which is we know that they conducted in Southeast Asia, like Cambodia, and also in South Asia, like in South Korea and also China. But this year, we're gonna move out to the Australia, which is in Brisbane. And for the date is from 9 to 19 September 2017. So is there anyone that disagree with these things?
No.
No? Did you think that is the perfect times? And a perfect place?
Yeah.
Okay. For the conference itself, I think we can conduct it in a Brisbane Epicentrum Convention Centers. So I hope, especially for the equipment, Chitra, you can approach the Brisbane officers so we can hire the Brisbane Epicentrum Conference Centers so to conducting our conference itself. You can do it, right?
Of course.
I'll give you deadline 1 month. Okay. And for the audience, I think we're gonna target it to more than one major ISPS, which has spread out throughout Asia Pacific. They make an internet community, and also I hope the broader technical community and government agency. And for the person, I think more than 200 participants from the technical, operational, business, and government and policy-making internet communities. And after all, I hope not only that person, mostly that came from ISP, I hope from the data centers, internet exchange point, content providers, commercial internet industries organization, research and educational institution, government department, national internet registries, local internet registries, and domain registries can attend our event. I think this is the duty for the public relation division to spread out our conference even of invitations, right? So that kind of person will know, and all of you have to approach them immediately. So I think all of you can do it, right? Okay, for the specialty of our conference, more than lasted few years, they just only conducting it and didn't broadcast it towards media and also online media. But this year, I'm gonna using webcast to stream our conference, so the online participants can see and also can give a feedback toward our conference. So the participants is not only the person that attend our conference, but also the online participant. So this kind of information that we get from conference, not only the participants that came to the conference, but also the online participant. And also, I think I have a plan to have a cooperation with CNN and others what is it? Others media, television, international media, television. So our conference will not only be now throughout the webcast, but also throughout the media TV, and of course for our YouTube channels, which is APNIC. I think we're gonna do streaming 24 hours or more than that for our conference. So, is there anyone that disagree with this opinion? No? Is there any suggestion?
No.
Okay, thank you guys. So, for this data, as we can see, the regions that participate in our conference is mostly they are from South Asia and also Southeast Asia. For the industrial type, it's mostly of them are internet service provider, but there is so many variety of industrial type that follow our conference. And for the third one is the job. I mean, like the person that join our conference is not only from internet technician or something like that, but they have a variety type of job, including the government and also public relation officers and so on. So, like the previous sponsors from the 37th our conference is we get a from Piccolo, FGI, Focus, and other, especially from Google's and Telstra Global. But I hope in this year we can get more than that for sponsorship, so we can create our event that smooth perfectly without having an obstacle in budgeting, because we have a great sponsorship. Okay, especially this study is for you, the sponsorship, the division Putri. I hope you can cooperate, especially for these corporations and also other company. I think I'm gonna targeting it for, how about Nestle, Unilever, or something like that. That's a big company, right? Okay, I think you can do it. You can do it, right?
Yes.
And you can cooperate with Secretary Malaysia to make the proposal. I think you can do it. The deadline, I hope it can be done on 1 month. Okay, 1 month perfectly. If there is anything that both of you would like to ask, just approach me. Okay. Okay. And after that, okay, for the event, I think it's gonna take 2 weeks, like I said before. First week we're gonna hold the workshop and training, and the second week is conference week, which is, I already make a general rundown, which is from 9 to 13 September 2017, we gonna hold a training and workshop within a variety of speakers, especially they are practitioners in an internet. Especially, they are really have a good capability in internet itself. And for the conference week, we're gonna hold it from 15 to 19 September 2017, and also we're gonna hold a fellowship, social event, and also remote participation. And I hope Hikmah, you are as a division of event, you can cooperate also with Malaysia to to arrange the rundown, the specific rundown more, and you can discuss it with me and another members of your division. Okay? Yeah. Okay, that. For the budgeting, I estimate it and I already calculate it in a NATO way. It will gonna take more than 20,000 million dollars. So it's a very huge price, but I think it's a maximum prices. So I think Citra, you are as an equipment division, you can have a discussion with the treasurer. So, and after you discuss it, you can tell it with me, and if there's anything that you would like to ask, just approach me. Okay, but mostly I have an calculated, which is, I hope it's not more than 20,000 billion, because it's a very huge. And for that, why we're gonna hold this event? Because our Asia Pacific region is the most rapid internet growth in the world. Right? Our internet growth is a very in a huge scale. So that's why I would like to held this conference like another few years. So our Asia Pacific educations about internet will be more broadened. So is there any questions regarding towards all of this, from the name, the place, and also the date and how we're gonna do this, and also for the facilitator, we are as the ethnic members, and I'm as the chairperson and also the one that responsible. Okay? Okay, is there any question? Yeah. Yeah?
What if one of speakers cannot attend the workshop?
Okay, I think I already make a plan B, which is if one of them, we conducting a workshop 7 days, right? It means that there are 7 different speakers, but I'm not only invite 7 different speakers, but I'm gonna invite 10. So we have another option. So some kind of backup speakers, I think. So is there any other questions or suggestions?
No.
Okay. So for the next event, for the next meeting, I think we can conduct it in our hall. Oh no, not our hall. It's just like in, what is it? Did you have any suggestion what kind of, which room that we can use? Meeting room, just like this?
Yes.
In this meeting room. So I hope you can attend it on next week, which is on Mondays, like this time. I'm gonna hold the meeting, the next meeting, the second meeting, our second meeting. So last but not least, I would like to say thank you so much for your attendance, and I hope we can get more better and success for our event. So thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.